Can just blame the lag on the cool temperatures this morning, and we'll see as it gets warmer throughout the week if they work just a little bit better. But it is nice to have a good view out there, plenty of sunshine, dry roadways, and yesterday, honestly, the perfect day. Mid-70s sunshine, mid-40s at night, so a nice crisp morning made way to a nice afternoon. Going to be a lot cooler today. We're waking up to the lower 40s, winds out of the north making it feel even colder, and earlier we were actually in the 30s, so definitely not feeling like April this morning. 43 in Greenwood as well. And as we look across the Mid-South, 42 in Tupelo, 41 in Oxford, 43 in Clarksdale and Cleveland, 41 in Pine Bluff. And it's going to be a slow warm-up. We're only going to top out in the upper 50s to lower 60s today. And when you add in that northerly wind that's coming in, well, it feels more like the mid-30s from Belzona to Durant up to Winona into Batesville. So yeah, it is a little bit chilly out there, but dry as can be. In fact, it's going to be so dry, there's going to be a limited threat for wildfire activity, which means dispose of anything that may be flammable very, very carefully today. Dew points in the mid-20s with light wind and low relative humidity going to make for really good fire conditions today. So just be careful out there. And as for the radar, again, we're going to stay dry, high pressure in control the next couple of days. Going to slide off to the east. Temperatures cool today. No rain expected across the Mid-South. Going into Thursday, another chilly start, making way to a sunny afternoon. Clouds build in by the evening. And here comes our next system. Going to dive out of the Rockies into the southern plains early Friday. Going to bring a threat for some severe storms as a dry line moves through portions of Texas. And that's basically just a line of moisture that's going to be moving through, and on the backside, very, very dry air and low dew points, and that's often a good indicator that there's going to be some strong storms developing out along that. And as we go through the rest of the evening, that heavy rain really going to move in late Friday evening. So if you have Friday evening plans, be ready for the rain, because it's going to be coming down, and you might want to just stay at home because it looks like that bullseye of heaviest rain may set up over the Delta through early Saturday morning before gradually ending. There's also the threat for some severe storms, pretty marginal, level 1 out of 5 in that dark green shade south of Highway 82. Higher threat the further south you go across Mississippi, but still, I'm more concerned with the extreme heavy rainfall rates that we may see late Friday. Now, for the first half of the day, we're not going to see too much in the way of rain, just some cloud cover, but look what happens as we go into Friday night. Those rainfall amounts, they stack up pretty quickly, especially in these yellow shaded areas right along and south of Highway 82. We could have upwards of 3 to 4 inches of rain, which is going to lead to some minor roadway flooding, especially in poorly drained areas. So just keep that in mind as you go about your Friday plans. Now, good news is Mississippi River continues to fall. We were near that minor flood stage level and actually bumped above it a couple of weeks ago. Now we're going to fall back into the upper 30s, which is definitely a good trend as we head towards the end of April. But as for today, on your Wednesday, we're halfway through the week, sunny and cool. North winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour, and this could be the coolest day we see in quite some time, maybe even until next fall. As for tonight, mid-40s, partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow is Earth Day, so celebrate. Do something good for planet Earth. We only have one, and it's where we live, and it's going to be pretty nice weather. Mid-60s, partly cloudy skies, and going into the next 7 days, heavy rain returns Friday and Saturday, and then the sunshine and springtime warmth returns heading into next week.